Hello Stampers, I'm Kelly Acheson at StampinUp.com, coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Today I have a fabulous tip to share with you. It was shared with me by Debbie Freedy, and she got the idea from watching me with dimensionals. So let's flip the camera around. I'm going to tell you all about it. So Debbie's idea came to her as she was watching me and I was chit-chatting about adding dimensionals to projects. One of the things that I said is when you use the black Stampin' Dimensionals, when you pop off that backing, you can tell that the backing is off, right? Because the backing is white, the dimensional is black. But what you can't tell very easily is if you've actually gotten this one off when you have a whole bunch on your pokey tool and you're just going along and you're like, oh, is that off? Yep, that's off, that's off. So Debbie's brilliant idea was to take her white dimensionals and use a Sharpie marker and draw a line across them. So you can take your entire card, draw a line across it, and that way when you add dimensionals to your project, you can tell when you have them off of there. Something so simple that is going to make things so much easier. I just thought it was brilliant. And if you guys happen to have any tips that you've thought of in the course of making your cards that you'd like to share with me so I can share with everybody, I would love to hear about them. You can pop me an email at kelly@stampabove.com. If you'd like to order any dimensionals or any other Stampin' Up! Products, I always appreciate your orders. You're going to find a link right up here to my blog where you're going to find an online ordering button. This is my current host code. If your order's under $150, please use this code. It really helps me out. If your order is over $150, do not use the code. You're going to get some Stampin' Rewards from Stampin' Up! And I definitely want you to have them. Make sure you click down here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't want to miss anything I have coming out. And go check out my online classes. I have a brand new class called the Artistry Blooms online class, and I just got done making all the videos. The cards are simply gorgeous. As always, you guys, thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend with me. Today is Wednesday, and that also includes my joke of the week. Make sure you head over to my blog, check that out, get yourself a little giggle. Have a good one. Bye-bye.